I have to leave work early today,
We're not done with the project.
but I have tickets to a game.
You haven't done your share of the work.
I'll do it tomorrow.
The project is due tomorrow.
Can you cover for me?
Sure. Where are you going?
I need to take a long lunch.
Why?
I'm going to a job interview. Don't tell anyone.
I won't tell anyone. Good luck.
The boss was not happy with our presentation.
I don't know what happened.
You weren't ready.
Are you blaming me?
Yes, you were not organized during the presentation.
I knew you would blame me.
Hey, Ron, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
My printer isn't working.
Try to reboot the computer and the printer.
I already tried that 2 times.
I see the problem. Your printer is out of ink.
I've had a hard day.
Do you want to get drinks after work?
Sure. I need to relax.
Me too. My boss is putting too much pressure on me.
I have the same problem.
Let's meet at 6 p.m. at the bar across the street.
I'm quitting.
Why?
I got a better job
Where?
with our competitor. Don't tell anyone. It's a secret.
Our boss is not going to be happy.
Well, our boss didn't give me a raise when I asked for one.
We have a lot to do on this presentation.
I know. Should we divide the work?
That's a good idea. I'll outline what needs to be done.
Okay. I'll work on the presentation style.
Great.
We make a good team.
I've been so busy these days.
Do you have another deadline?
Yes, I've been working every weekend.
How does your family feel about it?
They're not happy about it.
Working full-time while raising kids is hard work. I hate this job.
Me too. But I have plans for my future.
What kind of plans?
I plan to work hard and ask for a promotion.
What is your goal?
I plan to become a manager in 2 years and a director in 5 years.
My plan is to work for you.
Hey, Carl, do you want to join us for lunch?
No, thanks. I have too much work to do.
Are you sure? Tuesday lunch specials are the best.
No, I really can't go this time.
Okay, maybe next Tuesday.
Sure. Can you close my door, please?
Are you done with your part of the presentation?
No, not yet.
Tomorrow is the deadline.
I've been busy. I'll finish it tonight.
Your coworkers always have to do your work.
I'm sorry, I just work slowly.
You just don't care. You never help the team.
What do you want me to do?
Do your share of the work. Do you want to join us for drinks after work?
No, I can't.
It's Friday night.
I already have plans.
We just got done with a big project. You should have some fun.
I know, maybe next weekend.
Okay, you're going to miss a great time.
I'm going to have a great time tonight, too.
What are you doing?
I'm having dinner with our boss. Our deadline is Monday.
We still have much more work to do.
Let's divide the work this weekend.
Great idea. I'll take half of it home.
Okay, I'll take the other half home.
We can email each other what we finish and review it together.
That should make things go faster.
Do you think we'll finish by Monday?
I think if we divide the work, we will finish by Monday.
Okay, let's get to work.
A few of us are going out for drinks tonight. Do you want to join us?
Sure, what time?
We're leaving at 5 p.m.
Okay, I need to call my wife and tell her I will be home late.
I should do that too.
Are you celebrating something?
Yes, we finally finished a big project.
That's great news.
Let me know if you can join us later.
Okay, I will text you after I speak with my wife.
Did you hear our competitor stole the restaurant's secret recipe book?
When?
Last night.
How?
One of their employees broke into the kitchen and stole it from the safe.
The owner must be very angry.
No, she's not.
Why not?
She put a fake recipe book in the safe. No one knows where the real one is.
She is a clever woman and a great cook.
The whole file has been erased.
How did that happen?
I don't know. Who was the last person working on it?
I was the last one to work on it.
What did you do to it?
Nothing. I saved the file and went home.
I knew this would happen.
Are you blaming me for this problem?
Yes, you always screw up the projects.
You were so rude. That's why no one wants to work with you.
We need to hire another person in our department.
Why?
We have too much work and not enough people to do it.
We can't afford to hire another person right now.
We are all stressed out and working every weekend.
I understand, but my boss won't hire another person.
Then I quit.
But you're my best employee.
Then ask your boss to hire one more person.
Let me help with the projects.
I need you to cover for me.
Again? Where are you?
I'm at home. I overslept.
What do you want me to do?
Can you do the presentation for me?
Are you crazy? I didn't prepare for the presentation.
You can do it. You helped me research the stuff.
What am I supposed to tell the clients and our boss?
Tell them I'm stuck at the airport.
This is the last time I'm covering for you.
Do you have any free time?
Yeah, I just got done with the project. Do you need some help?
Yes, that would be great.
What can I help you with?
I have a project due this Friday.
Okay, just tell me what to do.
How much free time do you have?
I have a couple of free days before my next assignment.
Thank you so much, Brittany. I will tell your boss she has a great employee.
No problem. I'm always happy to help my coworkers.
During my review, my boss asked me what my goals are.
What did you say?
I told her I didn't know.
That's not a very good answer.
I know. She probably thinks I have no goals for my future.
I thought you had plans to go back to school and get a degree.
That is my plan.
I thought you wanted a degree so you can apply for better paying positions in the company.
You're right.
Then why didn't you tell her these things?
I got nervous and I couldn't talk.